Hello everyone. Before we start, as disclaimer, all views expressed in this video are for learning purpose only and in no way must be considered trade or investment recommendation. The purpose of this video is not to influence any buy or sell decision. Trading and investing in stock markets is risky. Even mutual fund houses mention subject to market risk and do not guarantee returns. So viewer discretion is highly appreciated. Any trading or investing decision must be taken after consultation with uh, their respective financial advisors. I, Rahul Pai, in no way whatsoever is or will be responsible for anyone's profits or loss. So let's get started. So we will first look at Nifty. This is the daily chart on spot. This is year end. We'll be starting afresh tomorrow uh, on Monday. Sorry, on Monday, January. So this is going to be a monthly close as well as weekly close and a daily close. So we'll see all the three charts to try and understand where Nifty and Bank Nifty will be heading. So let's go ahead with the monthly chart first. The monthly chart seems very uh, mm, prominent dominance by buyers. As you can see, it has broken down of this um, channel here, and the movement also suggests the price action suggests it's an up move. This channel break has happened. Expect us expect some consolidation or maybe um, a retracement in the coming months, but this looks strongly bullish uh, candle here for this month, and the past 2 months have been all buying. Um, on the weekly chart again, we see similar thing that there is buyers dominance observed. Though there has been selling that has been happening on a weekly basis as well. However, the buyers have dominated and are expected to continue to dominate in the coming weeks as well. As for daily chart, that is for intraday trading. We see here that last 5 trading sessions have been all buyers. This last trading session, which was on the year end, was more of a doji candle and indecisiveness. That's more probably because of the year end. However, I somehow feel the buyers are still strong, and this this may uh, uh, this may just be a small pause, and the rally will continue ahead. Uh, so, in order to trade on Monday, let's look at the levels. So the levels here, as we can see, are uh, I mean, there was a consolidation since last 2 days, that is 28th and 29th. So for me, I would be more interested towards upside trade if it crosses 21 777 and then the 21,800 level. From 21 cents, I'll still continue to refrain from trading because 21,800 is again resistance that we saw on the penultimate day. So 21,800, if it's crosses and sustains, I think there's a good chance of move of quick 50 to 80 points. So 2,800 is what I'll be looking for. If the price sustains above that, I'll be interested in going ahead with the 2,800 CE, or for that matter, uh, sorry, 21,800 CE, or 21,900 CE, or even 22,000 CE. On the downside, again, looks less likely, but if the price, this 21,607 level has been tested multiple times, so this is relatively weaker, and if the price breaks below this, it is highly likely that it will go till 21,588 levels to retest this, and that means a quick 90 point downfall is what we can see. And from here, I think roughly from here, we can again see some strong buyers might pitch in. So 21,577 is what 588 to 577 is what I'm looking for, and from there the resume buyers will resume. Okay, so uh, that's how we can trade Nifty on the first day of the new year 2024. Let's go on to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty again, the monthly chart. As you can see here, this is a triangle which I had drawn. This is the triangle which I had drawn, and as you can see, the channel, and this particular the price action has been respecting this channel. However, we see this breakout, and not a very big breakout, but just managed to close above this particular uh, top line, and it will be interesting to see because Bank Nifty has been uh, weaker out of the two. So as compared to Nifty and Bank Nifty, I think has uh, has seen buying as well as selling. We'll see that in the weekly charts and the daily charts. But Nifty has been strongly dominated by the buyers. So now as you see here, this channel has, I mean the close. We have got the close above this top, but there is a likelihood of some period. If the highs are not broken, then I'm pretty sure that the price will retest the lower level of lower side of this triangle. Uh, so it will be interesting to watch because if the highs are broken, we can see a good rally here. If not, then there is a high chance that the lower side of the triangle might be retested, and if it breaks, we may see some good fall in Bank Nifty. So uh, let's look at a weekly chart. There you see there's some consolidation. So as you see here, this has been a consolidation from here again, a W pattern followed by uptrend, and this the last 3 weeks have been consolidation. Uh, Again, as I said, uh, this consolidation might break on the upside for a good up move, or it may break on the downside and can see a downfall till up to 43 688 or 43,000 levels as well. So it's going to be a good trend up or down either side. Let's go on to the daily chart to see how we can trade a Bank Nifty on first day of the new year. As we see here, this has been a good rally followed by some consolidation, again some couple of days of gap ups, then again some consolidation. As you can see here, the range, the size of candles, and the type of candle, that is seller dominant and buyer dominant, it is more or less alternative. So more or less alternate. So you see here buyers dominance, seller dominance, against seller dominance, and buyer dominance against seller, buyer, then buyer and seller. So Bank Nifty, as I said, uh, is comparatively weaker than Nifty, and can go either side. Um, so for first day of 2024, for Bank Nifty, I think the last candle that we had seen have had a gap down opening, and it there was some selling seen on the last day of the year, but last trading day of the year, but the buyers pitched in and again managed to take the levels higher. Uh, though it shows as a uh, bearish candle, this is more of a doji type of candle. That's clear indecisiveness over there that may be due to the year end. So tomorrow's candle will be interesting to see if this low is broken. Then if the, uh, the candle for the first breaks this low, then we can see some some retracement to test the levels 47,300 up to 47,460 and 47,300. Whereas if it breaks the high and if it breaks the all-time high, that is 48,6, not the all-time high, yeah, all-time high 48,618, then in that case we we can see a up move as well. So for intraday trading, I would be interested in two levels, which is this. This is the daily. This is based on the candle for the last day. So if it breaks below this 48,088 levels, I'm pretty sure it will go till 48,000 and then further below till 47,888, and more downfall is possible. If it breaks the upper side on 48,477, it may go on to test the high is 48,626, and since this high has been tested multiple times, uh, there is a good possibility that this can break and it can go up to 48 800 levels, as well as 49 might just be around the corner in the upcoming trading sessions. So in between, I think I think I would refrain from trading between the levels 48 633 and 48 uh, 088, because that's a big range, I would say. But again, it's going to be very difficult for option buyers to trade this, because uh, this looks like a range bound movement, and which will be assisting the option sellers, not much for the option buyers. Still, if you want to go ahead and trade, if I want to go ahead and still, if I want to go ahead and trade, I'll possibly uh, buy at this lower level and with a strict stop loss, of course. Uh, and if I see a bullish candle or a bullish engulfing or a W pattern here, I'll go ahead with the buy side trade. And on the contrary, if I want to um, trade here, I try to go ahead with the sell side trade. And if yeah, if so this level 48%, and I will go ahead with the sell side trade. And um, if there is a selling candle or uh, M pattern, or if we see a bearish engulfing pattern. So that's it. That's how we can trade uh, on Nifty, Bank Nifty for the first day of the year 2024. So if you like uh, if you like this video, do like to subscribe, and do share it with everyone you want, everyone you know who wants to learn about analyzing the markets. Always remember, trading and investing in stock market is risky, and only do it after consultation with the financial advisors. Okay. Thank you so much for watching.